guys, welcome to the Homestead. So today we're going to talk about this landscape fabric garden cover that goes by many names. I bought this over from growingsolutions.com. This was recommended by the YouTube channel, very popular homesteading channel called Living Traditions. And I wanted to try it. I saw other homesteaders trying this. I've always used the back to Eden garden method where you layer things over. And because I layer things over, my ground is always super soft. I can stick my hand into this like up to my elbow. It's really, I mean, it feels like you're walking on a waterbed. I even did a video talking about how your garden should be like walking on a waterbed. If you pull up your ground fabric and your ground is hard, or if your garden is hard when you walk on, it's just not right. Something is wrong. And so I bought the ground fabric because, like everyone else, I struggle with weeds. I hate dealing with weeds, and I wanted just a better appearance for my garden. And I saw some of these other YouTube channels who were achieving that look and that result. So I went ahead and ordered it, and we got a bunch of it. In fact, I got so much of it that I have enough to do actually probably 1 or 2 more gardens like this. And just in case something got ripped up or whatever, I wanted to have some spares laying around, or if I wanted to expand and grow something else somewhere else, I'd have enough ground fabric to be able to do that. And with the way the world and economy is today, you just don't know if you'll be able to get any more and at what price. So how did it work? It worked great. I mean, it did fantastic. I have a few issues. And complaints, but not many. For the most part, it did a fantastic job, and it produced well for me. I'm going to use it again this year. I'm going to change up some things on how I have my plants laid out, but I'm going to use it again. I think just based on the wear and tear that it succumbed to the first year, I think it's going to probably last for at least 2 or 3 more years for sure, easy, without replacement. And so it just makes it for an easier garden experience and less weeding. Now, here's the issues I have with it. Just to be sure, just to let you know, this is a woven polypropylene fabric. It's got UV, it's made with some kind of UV retardant, so that way it lasts longer, and it's just less susceptible to sun damage. So it should last a long time with all those, but it worked real well. It actually keeps the ground cool. People think it may be asking, well, does it get the ground hot? No, it doesn't. But the issues I had with this are the stakes. So Grower Solutions, I don't know if anyone else has made this complaint yet on any channels, but the stakes that they offer for their ground fabric are crap. Okay, these things are ridiculous. This is 1 year's worth of oxidation on these supposedly galvanized stakes that they include, and they're only 6 inches long. Okay, again, if you have hard soil, this is no big deal. But if your garden is actually what a garden is supposed to be, that is not going to hold down your ground fabric. And it didn't. I use these as just kind of like placeholders, to put it in, but they're worthless. And the ones that were left in the ground, they oxidize so bad that they're becoming brittle. It's just metal is breaking off of these things. And probably another year in the ground, they're going to be done. They won't hold anything. Nor did they hold anything the first time, again, because my ground is so soft. So what I did is I went ahead and ordered 10-inch stakes. And I don't know if you can see the difference, but this was all the way in the ground for the whole year, and there's almost no oxidation on it all whatsoever. There's a little bit down here at the bottom, I think, but very little oxidation. This is going to last probably 3 or 4 years probably. I mean, this is all in the ground, no oxidation. So I don't know what the difference between this galvanized and this galvanized, but so what stakes are these? These are Gable stakes, and they're 10-inch staples, ground staples for ground cloth. And I got a bunch of these. How many is in here? Galvanized high quality steel, 200 pack. This is the 200 pack. And this is going to give me enough to do my garden probably in 2 other gardens like it if I needed it. So a definite improvement, high quality, get some high quality stakes. Even better would be something like these cheap tent stakes that you can find in a lot of big box stores. This has got a little bit of galvanized. I've been using these for years, and it's only got a little bit of oxidation on it, on the ends and stuff like that. But these things would last for almost ever, and they're orange, so you can see them every year. Maybe you want to re-spray paint them every year just to make sure they stay visible for you. But something like that will work too. But these are, I know, more expensive. I think the last time I checked, they were about $1 a piece, which probably is not true anymore because everything's gone up or doubled in price about this time. So they're probably like around $2 a piece now. Who knows? But I would highly suggest Grower Solutions replace these things. These are nonsense. I mean, again, if you're out there and you have hard dirt, they might work. But for me, as someone who has soft ground, because I really tend my soil well, we layer everything. It's not going to hold, and it's just not going to last. It doesn't look like it. So these, find some high quality staples like these from Amagable. Yeah, well, you can look it up online and find the same company. Again, I would highly recommend you go watch that video where I talked about, your garden should be like walking on a waterbed. If you're tilling things into your soil, you're basically just ruining whatever things that were alive, whatever ecosystem that was alive in your soil. And that's what's actually feeding the root nodules of your plants. And that's why your ground gets so hard. And you're basically robbing the nitrogen. Every time you till, whatever you till into your soil, you're basically robbing the nitrogen because it takes nitrogen to break things down. And so when you add new things into a soil, the soil is going to automatically try to break it down. And that uses up your nitrogen. I have a really good garden, and it's because I layer. Just like nature does. Every year it layers leaves on top of your soil, it layers debris, it layers manures from the animals and the birds, and because of that layering, you have in the forest, you should have soft, supple soil, loamy, waterbed, soft soil that's easy to grow things in. So my soil is right. You walk on it again, it's like, wow, I'm sinking. I love it. It's good soil. But anyway, it took a while to get there, but I'm there. And every year too, again, you'll have signs that you have a good soil if you have mushrooms growing in your soil automatically. If you have mushrooms growing in your soil, that means you have mycelium in your soil, and that means your soil is actually alive. It's alive. Anyway, so I wanted to just do a quick video. We're getting back into the gardening swing of things. I got a bunch of stuff going right now. I got starts and stuff like that going, and I'm just trying to get some extra sheep manure put on the garden. So I'm rolling up these right now. I'm labeling them with numbers so I know where to put these things back at, and I'm putting in a bunch of sheep manure and a bunch of hay and other things, coffee grounds and all kinds of great stuff for your soil, and I'm putting that on the garden, and then I'm not gonna till it. I'm just gonna put this stuff right back on top, and then we're good to go, good to plant, and I will get a good garden like I do every year. So all right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have comments, tell me how you're doing your garden. If you think I'm doing gardening the wrong way, listen, everyone is different. Everyone has different soil types. Everyone is in different parts of the country. What works for me may not work for you. I think it would be a good idea if you layered your soil. You can build up anything into a good soil if you layer it. Lasagna layering, I've seen people do lasagna layering in the desert, and they make good soil. Just out of composted stuff that they don't compost, they just layer it. They don't till it in, they just layer it. And it works fantastic. So leave a comment below. Let me know what works for you. And if you're one of these people who just put a bunch of chemical fertilizers on your garden, you're in the wrong channel. You want to go to the Monsanto pharmaceutical channel that's down the hall to your left. That's where you want to go hang out at. So, all right, guys, leave a comment below. Check out our t-shirts and Teespring from teespring.com. Our Farm Hair Don't Care, Farm Fresh Butt Nuggets, and of course our bestseller, Stupid Should Hurt. Check out those t-shirts. Get one today. Every purchase you make goes to help the homestead. See you next time in the homestead. Bye. Hey guys, I'm happy to introduce an American homestead sponsor, Zervita Zeal. Now, first off, I only accept sponsors from products that I use and believe in. My family uses Zeal mainly because we want to ensure a healthy immune system. You see, it's made up of only whole food concentrates and includes no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. The included sweetener is all natural from fruit and the stevia leaf. It's gluten-free, it's vegan, and it's kosher. In 2018, my youngest son was involved in a bike accident that resulted in the surgical removal of his spleen, and that's an important part of his immune system. And because we live on a farm, you can guess that having a healthy immune system for our family is very important. Some of the included ingredients are beetroot, chicory root, turmeric, moringa, blueberries, cranberry, goji berry, milk thistle, ginseng, alfalfa, broccoli, and so much more. It's these natural ingredients that can easily be made into a powerful and tasty drink that my family can make and feel good about. So sign up and give it a try today Every purchase you make goes to help the homestead so that we can continue to make great homesteading videos for you. Link is in the description below. Go ahead, give it a try. Hey guys, did you know you can become a patron of an American homestead? They get access to private videos, and we send them gifts from the homestead that we make here on the homestead. And we also enter our patrons into special giveaways that are only available to them. And before you go, please check out these other great videos. Go ahead, click. Oh wait,